How you can adjust the video temperature in Capcut Mobile free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Select and click your highlight or your video clip. Number 2 is to scroll to the right. The option which says adjust, which is the auto reframe and video quality. Selected and highlighted, you want to scroll to the right. You see the option which says temp, which is next to shadows and hue. You can scroll this to the right and see our video is currently turning orange. Scroll to the left, you're blue. If you're happy and satisfied, you can click the check mark. If you want, you can adjust the temperature with keyframes by clicking the keyframe icon. You can scroll to the right, click keyframe icon, and go back and click adjust. Temp is selected and highlighted. And scroll this to the right and click the check mark. Now, as you can see, our video is slowly adjusting the video temperature in Capcut Mobile completely for free.